Welcome to Labtech Engineering. Today, I'm excited to introduce the LF-800 single-layer blown film line, a pilot-scale system designed for material testing, research work, and small batch production. Perfect for startups, development teams, and companies refining their formulations before moving toward full-scale manufacturing. The process begins with our LE6030 extruder. This is our newly designed single-screw unit, featuring a more balanced structure and a modern, user-friendly layout.
As the material enters the barrel, it's gradually heated, melted, and blended into a steady and uniform melt, which then flows into the spiral die to form a clean, well-distributed bubble. As the melt exits the die, the film rises upward and passes through the stabilizing cage, helping the bubble maintain its shape.
From there, it moves into the Teflon A-frame, where the bubble collapses into a flat film before continuing into the oscillating haul-off system. This haul-off slowly rotates back and forth to improve thickness balance, while the air cushion turning bars guide the film gently as it transitions from vertical to horizontal movement.
After leaving the haul-off, the flat film travels into the pull roll section, where the tension is stabilized to keep the film running smoothly and consistently. To ensure proper alignment before winding, the automatic line centering system makes small, continuous adjustments to the flat film right before it reaches the wind-up unit, allowing the roll to build up straight and clean.
The film then arrives at the wind-up unit, where constant tension control produces neat, uniform rolls, making it convenient to switch between samples or run multiple tests in a single session.
All of this is supported by a sturdy platform with neatly organized cable and waterline routing, keeping the entire setup clean, accessible, and easy to manage during operation and maintenance.
The LF-800 works with a wide range of materials, including PP, PE, and nylon, and is also suitable for biodegradable options like PBAT, giving you the flexibility to explore new formulations and develop pilot-scale products with confidence. If you'd like to learn more or need support choosing the right configuration for your project, feel free to contact Labtech Engineering through our website or by email.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next polymer development journey.